Hello everyone. My name is Omansh Hyanki and I am a second year student of BBA Tourism, Institute of Tourism Studies, Lucknow University. Today I will be talking about Valley of Flowers National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So now let's look at what's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A UNESCO World Heritage Site is a landmark or area with legal protection by an international convention administered by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or in short, UNESCO. World Heritage Sites are designated by UNESCO for having cultural, historical, scientific, or other form of significance. These sites are demarcated by UNESCO as protected zones. The World Heritage Sites list is maintained by the International World Heritage Program administered by the UNESCO World Heritage Community. Now let's look at the next slide. The Valley of Flowers National Park. The Valley of Flowers National Park is an Indian national park which was established in the year 1982. It is located in Chamoli district in the state of Uttarakhand and is known for the meadows of endemic alpine flowers and the variety of flora. The park is administered by the Uttarakhand State Forestry Department, the National Ministry of Environment and Forests, India. At 3,352 to 3,658 meters above sea level, the gentle landscape of the Valley of Flowers National Park complements the rugged mountain wilderness of Nanda Devi National Park to the east. Together, they encompass a unique transition zone between the mountain ranges of the Zanskar and the Great Himalayas. The park is open only during the summer from June to October and it is covered by heavy snow for the rest of the year. Nanda Devi National Park Reserve falls under the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves and it lies completely in the temperate alpine zone. Now let's talk about its accessibility. The nearest major town from the park is Joshimath in Garhwal, which has convenient road connections from Haridwar and Dehradun. So from Delhi, one can take a train to Haridwar and then travel by bus to Govind Ghat via Rishikesh. Let's look at the next slide. Getting to the Valley of Flowers from Govind Ghat then requires a trek of about 17 kilometers. One can also hire a porter, mule, or helicopter to reach Gangria. As one, as one nears Gangria, one is greeted by fields of perfumed wildflowers, wild rose bushes, and wild strawberries by the sides of the path. Visitors to the Valley of Flowers need to get a permit prior from the Forest Department at Gangria, and the permit is valid for only 3 days. Let's talk about its accommodation. Visitors are not allowed to stay inside the national park, and accommodation can be obtained only at Gangria. Only visiting time and trekking are allowed during the daytime. And the best time to visit this breathtaking park is between July and early September, when the valley is full of flowers just after the outbreak of monsoon. Let's talk about its attraction or the miscellaneous facts. Like the Valley of Flowers is a national park near Nanda Devi Peak, which stretches up to the 8 kilometers in length and 2 kilometers in width. It is famous for the astonishing variety of flowers which covers the entire valley like a bedsheet. This World Heritage Site in India is home to more than 600 species of flora and over 520 species of fauna. This richly diverse area is home to rare and endangered animals including the Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer, brown bear, red fox and blue sheep. And the birds found in the park include Himalayan monal pheasant and other high altitude birds. Also, an interesting fact is that the path taken in the trek to the park is same as the Gurudwara Sri Hemkund Sahib Sikh temple at Hemkund, so trekkers are often likely to find many Sikh pilgrims on the route. Finally, there is also a research nursery and a seed bank created at Musadhar near the entrance of the site for propagating rare plants and valuable medicinal herbs. Thank you, and thank you.